Cottonmouths, often feared, are surrounded by myths. Let's uncover the facts about these misunderstood creatures. Myth: cottonmouths aggressively chase humans. Fact: they prefer to avoid conflict and escape rather than confront. Myth: they can't control their venom. Fact: cottonmouths can deliver dry bites to warn without wasting venom. Myth: all water snakes are cottonmouths. Fact: many harmless snakes share similar habitats but differ in appearance. Myth: cottonmouths eat only water-based prey. Fact: their diet is diverse, including small mammals and birds. Myth: cottonmouth bites are often fatal. Fact: with prompt medical treatment, fatalities are extremely